In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache and junk from Windows 10 and Windows 11. By the end of this tutorial, your computer should feel a bit lighter, faster, and more responsive, without you having to install any third-party tools. We're going to focus entirely on built-in Windows features, so everything you need is already on your PC. I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along in real time. First, let's open the main tool we'll be using, called Storage Sense or Storage Settings, depending on your version of Windows. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and start typing Storage Settings. When it shows up in the search results, click it. This will open a window that shows how your disk space is being used, broken down into categories like apps, temporary files, and system files. Once that's open, find the section labeled Temporary Files. Go ahead and click on that. Windows will take a few moments to scan your system and list different kinds of temporary data, such as previous Windows installations, delivery optimization files, thumbnails, and other cached items. Now, carefully review the list. Most of the items here are safe to delete, but read each description so you understand what you're removing. For example, thumbnails and temporary internet files can be deleted without any problem. Windows will recreate them as needed. Previous Windows installation files, however, are only safe to remove if you're sure you don't need to roll back to an earlier version of Windows. Once you're comfortable with your choices, tick the checkboxes next to the categories you want to clean up. When you're done selecting, click the Remove Files button. Windows will start deleting those temporary files. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes, depending on how much junk has built up. So just let it finish. Next, it's a good idea to enable automatic cleanup so you don't have to keep doing this manually. Go back to the main storage settings page and look for an option called Storage Sense. Turn this on. You can also click into it to customize how often it runs and what types of temporary files it should automatically delete, like items in your recycle bin or your downloads folder after a certain number of days. Once that's set, you've successfully cleared out a lot of unnecessary cache and junk from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 system, and you've put an automatic system in place to help keep things tidy going forward.